How to BUI $KEKIUSPEPE, KEKIUSMAXIMUSPEPE token crypto coin. Before we begin, I want to clarify that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional financial advisor, and any investment decisions are entirely your own responsibility. Always make sure to do your own research, DYOR, before investing in any crypto project. Now, let's dive into how you can buy the KEKIUSPEPE token, KP. Step 1. Official website purchase. Currently, KEKIUSPEPE token, KP, is in the pre-sale stage, and the only way to purchase this token is through their official website. So, before making any transactions, ensure you are on the correct, legitimate site by checking for updates and news from the official team. To get started, here are two main methods for purchasing the token. Method 1. Purchasing through the platform, PancakeSwap. Go to the official website. Once you visit the official website, you'll find an option to purchase the token via PancakeSwap or another supported platform. Click on the link, and you'll be redirected to the PancakeSwap interface. Connect your wallet. To proceed, you will need to connect your wallet. The platform supports several wallets, including Phantom Wallet. Once you click on the Connect Wallet button, you'll be prompted to log in and select your wallet provider. Choose Phantom or another supported wallet. Confirm the wallet connection. After selecting Phantom, click on Confirm and wait for the wallet connection to be established. Buy the token. Once your wallet is connected, type in the amount of KEKIUSPEPE tokens, KP, you wish to purchase. You will need to have some Solana, SOL, in your wallet to cover the transaction. After entering the amount, click on Place Trade. Note, if you encounter an error like insufficient funds, it means your wallet doesn't have enough SOL to proceed. Simply deposit more SOL into your wallet and try again. Complete the transaction. If everything looks good and you have enough funds, confirm the transaction by clicking Approve. This will finalize your purchase of the KP token. Method 2. Purchasing via DEX, decentralized exchange. If you prefer a more decentralized method, you can use a DEX, decentralized exchange, like Radium or another platform. Find the token address. First, you'll need the KEKIUSPEPE token's contract address. This can be found on the official website or other verified resources. Here is an example of the contract address for the KEKIUSPEPE token. Make sure to double-check it from the official sources. CSS, Copier with Gut, 0x, token address. Connect your wallet to the DEX. Open your Phantom Wallet or MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc., and make sure you have SOL in your wallet. Visit the DEX where the token is listed, such as Radium or Jupiter. Find the swap option and paste the token address into the contract address field. Set the amount to buy. Once you've entered the correct contract address, type in the amount of KP tokens you want to purchase. The platform will show you how many tokens you will receive in return for your SOL. Confirm the transaction. After confirming the details, select your preferred provider, e.g., Jupiter, and click on Swap. The platform will redirect you to the confirmation page where you can review all the details before completing the transaction. Customize slippage, if necessary. If the transaction fails, you may need to adjust the slippage tolerance. This is particularly important if there's high volatility or liquidity issues. Simply go back to the token exchange page, click on Settings, and adjust the slippage tolerance. Usually between 0.5% to 1% works best. Final steps. Completing your purchase. Once your transaction is confirmed, you will now be the proud owner of KEKIUSPEPE tokens, KP. Make sure to keep track of the transaction status and the amount of tokens you've received. You can check your wallet balance to confirm the purchase was successful. Important notes. Always double-check the token address. Scams can happen, so ensure you are copying the correct contract address from official sources like their website or verified platforms. Transaction fees. Keep in mind that, when purchasing crypto tokens, you'll incur network fees, in this case, Solana fees, in addition to the amount you spend on the tokens. These are usually small, but be aware of them. Token updates. Follow the official channels for updates about the token. It's a good idea to stay informed regarding any news or changes that could affect your investment. Conclusion. Buying KEKIUSPEPE token, KP, is a straightforward process, whether you choose to use a centralized exchange via PancakeSwap or go the decentralized exchange route, such as Radium or Jupiter. Remember to always check official sources for contract addresses and verify that you have enough funds to cover the transaction fees. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto-related tutorials and updates. Stay safe and happy investing. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like and write in the comments whether my method helped you. See you soon, friends. Peace out.